This is the Genesis G90. Your Genesis G90 is equipped with a power trunk feature that enhances convenience for the driver and passengers. The power trunk can be opened and closed by using your smart key. It can also be opened and closed by holding down the trunk release button located near the instrument panel. To open the trunk from the outside of the vehicle, simply press the trunk open button located near the rear emblem. If the vehicle is locked, press and hold the trunk release button with your smart key. If the trunk release button is pressed while the trunk is opening, it will stop operating. To close, press the power trunk close button located on the bottom edge of the trunk. Note that there is an emergency trunk safety release lever located inside the trunk. To open the trunk manually when there is no power to the vehicle, first open the pass-through cover located at the center of the rear seat. Locate the trunk release lever behind the left side of the pass-through cover and pull the lever all the way back. Affix the lever to keep the trunk from locking and lift and open the trunk manually. Don't forget to place this manual trunk release lever back to its original position when finished. For more information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult mygenesis.com and your owner's manual.